Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're gonna show you how to make delicious, easy to make carrot sweet, or as we call it, Gajer ka Halwa. And it's an amazing dish to eat during the winters. And it's really easy to make, very simple, few steps and ingredients. Let's begin. Now this is a very simple and delicious dish to make, so the ingredients will be on the screen and I will also be telling the recipe while we are making it. So at first I took 3 kilos of carrots. Before putting the carrots in, I have already heated pure ghee or butter in the cooking utensil, and above that I am putting the carrots. Now we will be thoroughly mixing the butter with the carrots. The butter will give the carrots good taste and aroma. After that's done, I'll be just putting the lid above it and let it cook for 20 minutes. And in between, I will also be mixing it. And I have decided to use almonds, cashew nuts and walnuts as dry fruits in this sweet. I'll be grinding and crushing some of them for the sweet. And while mixing, you can notice that the area taken by the carrots is decreasing by time. Right now it's even below half than it was before. And I'll just let it cook for a while more. Oh yeah, while I am cooking, my cat is just sitting on the blue chair in the kitchen. I don't know why, but it's just sitting on that blue chair and watching us cook the whole time. I think it really needs attention. Really needs attention. Okay, let's get back to cooking. And now you can see it has decreased to even less than half. It takes less than half the space now. And you can see it's a little dry and it looks moist at the same time. Now it's time to put 2 cups of whole milk. Give it a very good mix. It already smells good. And after that, let it cook for more 20 minutes. 20 minutes have passed now and you can see that you can almost see no milk here. It's dry. And now it's time to put the sugar. I have put 600 grams of sugar, or you can say almost 2 cups of sugar. Give it a thorough mix so that the sugar gets completely mixed with the carrots. After thoroughly mixing the sugar, I have decided to add it saffron. This saffron will also give it an amazing smell, and it's also really good for the winter as it will keep your body warm from the inside. Oh, it already smells really good. As you can see now, the texture and the color is almost up to what we need. It really smells good and even looks amazing, very vibrant and bright color. And now it's time to add the dry fruits. As you can see, I have grinded some and I have crushed some. I'll be adding the crushed ones into the sweet, and the grinded ones will be used for serving as on top of the sweet. Now again, give it a good mix so that all the dry fruits will be mixed into the sweet. After giving it a good mix, put the lid on top and wait for 10 minutes. After that, your sweet is ready to serve. You can serve it either cold or warm, whatever you prefer. But I prefer warm because I really like it. See how amazing and vibrant it looks? And this is the best way to eat carrots in winter. It's delicious, sweet, easy to make, and also you can eat it warm. Hope you enjoyed the recipe and you really liked it. Please comment down below how it went. If you tried it, please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.